Generally, the music videos you see are mostly in the following types: animation music video, lyrics music video,
Go down, Moses, way down, Moses.
narrative music video,
I found a love for me,
performance music video,
so that I can be the best for you. That's all I wanna do.
and visual and conceptual music video. But a high-level music video like this would often require expensive production fees to support. So for most of the average who wants to spend a small budget filming a music video, what should you do to make that happen? Well, you can also use some awesome techniques to make a good performance music video. So next, I'm gonna divide the episode into two parts: pre-production and post-production. Well, for today, we're gonna focus on the pre-production session. If you're interested in this, let's jump in and get started. The first point is to flip your location. Usually, a video would contain multiple scenes for strong visual impact. This can bring more freshness and immersiveness to the audience. But if you are unable to do that, then you can apply different angles within the same scene. This will not only make the most out of the scene, but could also make the video look more interesting and diverse. The second technique is to use the leading lines or the symmetry, and that is to find a scene that has plenty of leading lines to shoot, like use an intriguing staircase as a leading line, or use the chairs to create the leading lines. With the leading lines, the audience's attention will be laterally directed to the subject you want to demonstrate, and the image will be more aesthetically appealing. In addition, composing the frame using symmetry is also a great technique. This technique is applied in many movies to give more aesthetic definition to the image. It not only makes the subject clear, but also makes the whole picture look more balanced. When you shoot a music video, this technique can get you some great visual effects. Lighting is a very important element while making a music video. It can not only improve the visibility to the whole image scene, but also enhance the mood of the background design and conveys a different emotional tone. In contrast, if in such a scene that comes with no lights, where the scene is so dark that the subject can hardly be seen, it will be impossible for the audience to relate to the content the video tried to express. So, if you don't have enough lighting equipment, I would recommend you to use a lateral sunlight to meet your shooting needs. And if you shoot inside, you can get softer lateral light through the windows to illuminate your subject. If it's in the outdoor area, you can use a light and a shadow to achieve a desired effect. Since you want to go with a small budget, it would be better to not pursue the overhead shots with the drone. Instead, you focus on the scene at hand. Use a different composition of your shots to enrich your video. For example, do some push-in and out camera movement. You can see this technique in almost every music video because it is very easy to achieve in both pre- and post-shooting session. And with it, you can give more variety to the image. The second is to use some handheld shots to capture more close-ups. This is used in many hip-hop type of music videos. Focus the camera on performer's facial expressions or hand movement. This helps highlight the style of the music and makes the audience more immersive. Alright, that's all for today's video. And for the next part, we're gonna talk about how to add a great music video. So don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. We'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!